In a sweeping crackdown on Medicaid housing fraud, federal agents raided multiple homes and businesses, targeting providers accused of exploiting Minnesota's Housing Stabilization Services program. The initiative was the first in the nation to use Medicaid funds to help elderly and disabled individuals secure stable housing. But what began as a $2.6 million annual program ballooned into a $104 million operation riddled with abuse. Authorities allege that dozens of companies billed Medicaid for services never rendered. Some even submitted claims for deceased clients. One provider reportedly charged over $2.7 million for housing support to nearly 300 clients, many of whom later told investigators they received little or no help. Another company is accused of fabricating service records and billing Medicaid for sessions that clients say never happened. The raids were prompted by mounting evidence of forged documentation, phantom services, and systemic misuse of taxpayer funds. Authorities described the scheme as a massive fraud that preyed on vulnerable Minnesotans while draining public resources. In response, the Minnesota Department of Human Services announced plans to terminate and redesign the HSS program, citing its inability to prevent bad actors from infiltrating the system with massive schemes that work against housing stabilization in favor of greed. Lawmakers are now pushing for the creation of an independent inspector general to oversee Medicaid programs and restore public trust. This unfolding scandal highlights the urgent need for stronger oversight and accountability in public assistance programs, especially those serving society's most at-risk populations. Thanks for watching, liking, and subscribing to The Daily Scan, reporting stories that matter to you.